lit this town like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to live this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll back down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it just like the sunrise.
Okay, my friends, you're watching. I am Winston GeL cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Today in my cooking lab, I will be doing, yes, Jamaican Style Oxtail. For the very first time on my channel, I will be doing a Jamaican Style Oxtail recipe dish, yes, on my channel. So, this is the oxtail, 6 pounds of oxtail, and I'll be doing a rice and peas using jasmine rice. Alright, here are all the other ingredients. Over here, I have my scallion, garlic, thyme, and basil leaves, and carrots, butter beans, assorted bell peppers, coconut cream milk, onions, white and red, and of course hot pepper. And those are all the other ingredients that will complete this dish here today on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. So yes, today will be the first time for the last 3 years, first time I will be doing a Jamaican style oxtail. And you'll be seeing this on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. And over here, this is the pot for the rice and peas. So the peas is already on the stove cooking. And then over here, this will be for the oxtail. So I'm going to season up the oxtail and get the oxtail in here and get this wonderful Christmas Eve dish on the way. And you're seeing this, will be seeing this on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube platform. Alright, in most cases people like to season meat from overnight to marinate it in order to get a better taste. But I have been cooking long enough and I have my own technique in cooking. And so basically all I'm going to do is put some fresh garlic here and garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose season, Maggi season, some curry powder, yes, and I'm going to sear this in the pot for a little while, and then after searing this on the fire in the pot, then I'm going to add liquid to cook the meat. Yes, I'm going to add liquid to cook the meat, and this will be a brown stew. Yes, a brown stew oxtail. Yes, it won't be an outright curry. The curry will be in the flavor, but it will be a brown stew oxtail. And you're watching this on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Flame on. I'm going to get some seasoning going here. First, I'm going to add my sea salt. Yes, my sea salt. Don't need a whole lot. And next, I'm going to add my all-purpose season, spices. Yes, all-purpose spices. Which means there's a blend of different seasoning combined together in this to make it an all-purpose. That's why it's called all-purpose. So all-purpose, all different types of meat, because this is a combination of different seasoning fused together to call it all-purpose seasoning. The smell of it is very nice. It gives it a wonderful, wonderful smell. That's why I don't need to marinate this overnight in order to come out with the effects and taste that I desire. Alright, now I'm going to add my onion powder. Okay. And next I'm going to add my garlic powder. Alright. And I'm going to add some Maggi. Yes, some Maggi seasoning. Alright. And next I'm going to add some curry flavor. Yes, some curry flavor. It's not curry oxtail, just for flavor. Alright. Now I'm going to put some fresh garlic in the mix. Some fresh garlic. Alright. And now I'm going to blend them together. I'm going to blend them together. So this is 6 pounds of oxtail meat. So this will be dinner for 5 days. Yes, I eat a lot of meat. Alright, I'm going to pour some olive oil into the pot. We're going to sear the meat. Okay. Alright, so last but not least, I'm going to add my black pepper. So now, I'm going to finish. Yes. Marinating. Yes. Blending. Yes. Alright, so I think this meat is ready. It's ready for the stove. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to put the meat into the oil. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, I'm going to add some flavored broth. Some flavored broth. This is adding taste and flavor inside of the rice and peas, Jamaican Style Rice and Peas that I'm going to cook. Yes. Red beans, rice and peas. Yo, I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, that is my oxtail. By the way, my friends, oxtail means cow. Ox means cow. Cow meat. So this is the tail. Yes, this is the tail of the cow. Yes, so that's why they call it oxtail. This is one of the most famous dishes in Jamaica that is nice meat, oxtail. And that's why this meat is so very expensive. Yes, in the United States. People in Jamaica having a hard time affording to buy this meat. In America, this meat is very expensive. In England, this meat is very expensive. So this is the tail of the cow. So it is called ox tail. Okay, my friends? You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832. Yes, I am doing brown stew oxtail. Yes. Color will be natural. Yes, no artificial coloring. Yes, it will be natural coloring. No browning, no no browning, coloring. Yes, just a natural color to it. And you're seeing this on I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. This is my oxtail. Oxtail, yes, it's a tail from the cow. That's why they call it oxtail, the tail from the cow. Now this is the beans. That's what it is. Test the beans, see if the beans is ready. Yes, the beans are ready. Alright, so I'm going to add some ingredients in here. Alright. I'm going to add my thyme. This is my thyme leaves. I'm going to put them in just like that. Not cutting them up. Put them whole. And in addition to that, my scallion. Put my scallion in. Fold it up and crush it. Squish the scallion and put it in. Put it in the pot. Okay. In addition to that, I'm going to put some fresh garlic. Some fresh garlic. Alright. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. And yes, it's nice. Rosemary leaf. Rosemary bay leaf, whichever one. I don't know. Sure which one. I get confused at times with the two. Alright, I'm going to add my coconut milk. Some garlic powder as well, and some onion powder. So this is the onion powder. And this is the garlic powder. This is the Maggi seasoning. And also going to add some all-purpose seasoning. Yes, I want this to taste as delicious can be. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright. Now, I'm going to add my pepper. Yes, I'm going to put it in, put a knife through it so the flavors can come out from the pepper into the pot. There we go. Now I'm going to cover and allow it to come to a full boil. Then I'm going to wash the rice and have the rice ready. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, I have one other ingredient that we can add. Alright, this is some pimento berries. Yes, pimento seed berries, and I'll put it inside of it. Gives it additional flavor and taste. Alright, so I'm going through a process of elimination. Alright, so this is this is where I'm at right now. Alright, so now I'm going to wash the rice and get the rice ready to go into the peas pot. And yes, I'm going to cook the Jamaican Style Rice and Peas. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright. rice and washing it. Get the extra starch. Gonna do a second wash. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. So this is my jasmine rice for my Jamaican style red beans and rice, or Jamaican style rice and peas. That's what we call it in Jamaica. All right. Stir up the oxtail. We're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, in a little while I'm going to add my beef broth liquid in here just to tenderize the meat. Once the meat is tenderized, then I start adding the ingredients in one by one. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. I'm doing oxtail, yes, which is the cow's tail. This is the meat from the cow's tail. And you're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to add the rice. Jasmine rice. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube. I am cooking Jamaican style rice and peas. Yes. And you see this in my cooking lab on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, now I'm going to add the butter in. And that's it, everything is in. And just allow the course of time. Yes. Half stick of butter in there. Alright, covering it back up. And I'm going to turn the fire down. Mix on the special sauce for the oxtail, so I'm using Scazon. Alright, I'm sharing that with you. Now, I'm going to add some ketchup. Ketchup liquid to that. And I'm going to mix it out. Liquid and put it inside of the ketchup container. Make sure I get all of it out. I'm going to pour it in here. this is ready to go inside the meat. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, so this is my Jamaican Oxtail. Jamaican Oxtail recipe, and you'll see this on YouTube.com. I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube.com. So now, I'm going to add my special sauce, which consists of Scazon seasoning and ketchup and beef broth. And then I'm going to pour the rest of my beef broth in here. Chicken broth. Now I'm going to add some water to it above the layer of the meat and allow the meat to cook. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube.com. Alright, so I have the broth in there. The broth was actually chicken broth. It wasn't beef broth. My beef broth was finished. So it's chicken, beef, whichever one I have. So now I'm going to add some seasoning in here. Alright? Now I'm going to add some thyme. Yes, some thyme. I'm going to add some thyme in here. Just going to add some thyme leaves. Let's put some in here. And sage. Right, next I'm going to add some berries. Add some berries. These are called pimento berries. Add pimento berries inside of the meat. I'm going to add some onions. Put some onions in there. And save some for the finishing. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Right. So this is my Jamaican Style cook. This rice is very easy. Right now, liquid in it. Make sure you cook this right. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube.com. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube.com. Jamaican Style Oxtail stew. So it's just 3/4 of the way there. So by the time most of this liquid has abated, has dried down, the meat should be tenderized and ready for the remainder of the seasoning to complete this assignment in my cooking lab on the Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, this is the rice. Yes, I'm not going to go further with it. Just a little bit. Alright, yes, the steam. Yes, too much pepper. So pepper is very fierce, very hot. This is my Jamaican Style Rice and Peas. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Today in my cooking lab, I'm doing oxtail. Yes, oxtail. It is one of the most famous dishes in Jamaica. Yes, it's one of the most famous dishes in Jamaica. We have ackee and sawfish, we have oxtail, we have jerk chicken, we have jerk pork, we have escovitch fish. Yes, oxtail is right up there amongst all those dishes. Right, so now, I'm going to add the rest of my scallion and onions. And then the last three items that I have some bell peppers, I have butter beans, and I have some carrots. And those will be also part of this recipe here. I'm going to check the meat just to see how tender the meat is. Alright. The rice is cooked. So now I'm going to turn the stove off. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. This is my rice and peas, Jamaican style rice and peas. So rice and peas is cooked. Now turn the fire off and wait for the oxtail to get tenderized. Then I put on the finishing touch on the oxtail. Alright, it's coming along. It's halfway there. I'm going to add the rest of my onions. Put some red onions in here. Add some scallion. Chicken 832 on YouTube. Put the liquid from the butter bean in there. Carrot. Allow this to cook. Once it's cooked, then I'll add the bell peppers, the carrot, and the butter bean, and the butter, and that is it. Well, my friends, YouTube land, this is one of the toughest meat to cook. Yes, the oxtail, tail of the cow, is the toughest meat to cook. There is. Once it's cooked and you eat it, it's one of the most delicious, yes, one of the most delicious meat to enjoy. Alright, I'm going to test the meat and see how tender the meat is. A little bit more liquid. Whew. Alright, then I'll test this meat here. See if it's cooked. Half an hour more before I put the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna add some more water, and once it goes down a little bit, then I'll put the rest of the ingredients, and that will be the finish. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube platform. I'm putting these Idaho potatoes in here into the oxtail dish. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832. This is my Idaho potatoes. Alright, I'm just going to add everything in. Yes, I'm going to add everything and bring this to a little close. Then there's some scallion. Peppers. Some hot pepper. So this is the finale. Coming up, you're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. So this is my Jamaican Style Oxtail dinner on this Christmas week. Alright, my friends. Alright, this is it. Alright, this is butter beans. Yes, butter beans, lima beans is typically one of the beans that is used when we're cooking oxtail. Now I'm going to top it off with some carrots. Let's top it off with some carrots. Okay. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Melted. What is it? I've been sitting here so melting. Alright, so that is the butter. Butter gives it a very unique flavor. Alright, so all my ingredients are in. So now I'm going to go stir. And then in about 5 minutes or so, because carrots are cooked, butter beans are already cooked, yes, and the potatoes by now should be cooked. Alright, so now I'm going to stir. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. is my Jamaican Oxtail. Yes, first on my YouTube channel. First on my YouTube channel. Since my channel was created, this is the first time I'm doing an oxtail. This is the first oxtail, won't be the last. This is the first oxtail dish. Alright. So you're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. It is looking delightful. It is looking fantastically. Yes, delightful and delicious. And I'm sure it's going to taste out of this world. And you will see this on the Winston GeL. I'm cooking. Yes, 832 on the YouTube platform. And over here, the rice is already done. Ready and waiting. Alright, my friends, this is ready. So I'm going to turn the stove on now. This is ready. Turn the stove off. I'll show you the rice. These are the two dishes. Okay, that I created on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so we have oxtail, yes, Jamaican Style cuisine, and we have also rice and peas. Yes, that's what we call it in Jamaica, rice and peas, Jamaican style, of course. All the ingredients that you can think of, and you'll see this. So now I'm going to share. Alright, I'm removing this hot pepper here. Don't want to make a mistake. Getting that in my mouth. I'm crying like a baby. Alright, this plate here is for my neighbor. Yes, I want to share. Yes. Christmas Eve dinner. It's Christmas Eve now. I share Christmas Eve dinner. Share enough. So that you can have it for at least 2 days. As you're watching, I Am Winston GeL 832 on the YouTube platform. This is Jamaican rice and peas. Delicious. All spices. It's a mountain of rice and peas. So I'm going to share my plate. Those are the herbal time. Those are the spice. And the meat, take them out.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now.
Now here comes sharing of the meat. Okay, position the plate, make sure the plate can hold.
Just like the sunrise, you know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise.
The oxtail done. That is for the neighbor. That is for the neighbor. That's for at least two dinners. Two dinners there. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Oh, okay, now my plate.
He gets caught real big, pissed off quick, and if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the push apart. And if you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Pour apart quick, you left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no legs, it'll kill when I'm desperate.
That is the Jamaican Style Oxtail. And you'll see this on the buy-in.
He's back and better than ever. I can feel my heart rate, adrenaline pressure. It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can harness believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key control, by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened.